got my head out the sunroof. I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes. You got those.
I just finished work and now I'm going home, but school just announced that it's cancelled because of the flooding that's going on at the moment. And I think it's been raining where I live for like the past 5 days already, and I think it's stopping next week. And so yeah, everyone stay safe during this time. Hopefully nothing too bad happens, but yeah, I'm going home now. So I just got home. Cat's on my floor. I want to show you. I don't think I've ever showed you guys my cat. So look really greasy. I told you I was working, guys. I need to take a shower because I've been working since 10 o'clock this morning, and currently it is 7:29 p.m. So I definitely need a shower.
2, 1, and liftoff of Space Shuttle Discovery to complete NASA's constellation of tracking stations in the sky.
그리고 아까 내가 한 말 잊지 말고.
아까 말 많이 했잖아.
가고 싶어져. 네가 해내면 나도 해내고 싶어.
Tell me why you like me, baby. 나도 알고 싶다고. Tell me why you like me, baby. 지금 알고 싶다고. Tell me why you like me, baby. 난 네맘 알고 싶다고. Tell me why you like me, baby.
Currently looking around at this. I think it's hot pot. Make this up hot pot. Should I buy it?
왜 이렇게 나를 바보처럼 나한테 행동하고 너의 손만 꼭 잡고.
I haven't vlogged today. This morning I had to go tutor my student and I just got ready quickly. Today I'm focusing on studying for my maths exam still. I did try to study last night if you saw the clips, but it didn't really work out that well. I got really mad at the fact that I couldn't understand the fucking topic. To be honest, I'm still kind of mad, but it's okay. Right now though, my family and I are going to go eat lunch, so yeah. But then the rest of the day I'm probably just gonna study, hopefully.
Expensive. Too expensive.
So tired, but I don't want to study as well.
2, 3 or small one? I need 3 for 6. I need 12 for 9.
Tell me why you like me, baby. You've been on my mind, you've been on my mind, yeah. 머릿속에 girl, you won't leave me alone. Good girl with a good mind, good heart with a good vibe. 설명하기 너무 어려워. 너만 없으면 난 서러워. 같이 있으면 난 좋아. 아직까지 너는 몰라.
I was doing my maths and I just got a Teams notification. My exam is postponed to Friday. So that's I'm so happy. I don't think you understand. Like I was like mad for like a solid day. I mean I understand it now. Like I know how to solve it. But at least I can revise some more time. But yeah. This is Minnie. This is. What's your name? This is Fiona. You saw Yumin before. 나는 너야. 너의 여자친구? 남자친구. Wait, did I say 여자친구? 여자친구. Okay. I have class in, what's the time? 8:30, 23. 7 minutes. In 7 minutes. And I have double music, so. I haven't talked to you guys since, I think, was it this morning? No, I don't even think I talked to you guys, but currently I'm back at school and like there's barely anyone in class. Because people are having problems getting to school and people are flooded in. But at the moment I'm in music and I am in charge of arranging a piece for the theatre and music department and film, I think, project. And I would normally have my friend here to help me, but they're not coming. So I have to arrange it myself, and I don't really know what the heck is happening. I don't know how to play this either, so I'm gonna go find a suit for our arrangement because I feel like it would be very pretty. So, gotta fly. Sorry. Huh? Wait. That's too high. Sorry. Georgia. Hi. She's actually 4 foot, but I'm like.
I know, this is a little bit taller. Kira, I mean, look.
Hey guys, welcome to Nadia's channel. Like and subscribe below. Don't forget to. This is a daddy kidney, and this is a baby kidney. Should I just? I don't want to. Okay. Are we doing the baby one then? Well, they are the big one. Identify
Ready? Yeah! Kira and I got this for free. What's that? Yes. So true.
나디아는 돼지.
맞아.
나디아는 돼지.
맞아. 아니. 너는 돼지.
Nadia is dying in the inside.
I am. COVID safety. Just finished school. How was your day at school, Kira?
My day was quite very exquisite. Finished a nice day with English. Yeah.
How's your day, Annie?
good because I got to sit on Kira's lap.
When did that happen?
It's them.
Oh. How was your day, Jojo?
It was very good, apart from my loss of work and I had to home make it.
Currently, we're at the markets to see Mummy hit. Mama hit. And cheese. It's so good. Like, it's genuinely so good.
What's in it though?
Chicken and cheese. We just finished eating. And I actually am in a food corner at the moment. If I get home or like on the bus, I'm actually gonna pass out. How was your meal, Georgia?
It was very delicious.
Oh, I didn't film the food! Oh my god! It's currently raining again. And I'm not going to school, but I'm dropping my brother.
Bus driver forgot to stop at my stop, so now I have to walk from the other bus stop to the restaurant. So I love exercise, guys. I'm really out of breath because I'm really unfit. So
This is Emma. Hey guys. Yeah. She didn't want. What is this? Wow, you can really see my nose highlight. He's not a dad. He's a grandpa. Look at him.
What the fuck? I'm being attacked and I don't appreciate it.
Nadia, did you come in the 150?
Yeah. Got scared. She was having a full-on panic attack. She looks sexier though.
You look sexy.
Oh my god.
No, man.
Nadia.
I had to pay, and I got charged on $3.90 for using my card.
You talk to your wall.
Why?
Ever feel like you want to
Hey
shit
guys,
your
I'm
bed?
single.
No one does.
Then you actually.
It's finally Friday, and I just received a package from YesStyle, so I'm just gonna open it here. I have a few packages coming from YesStyle very soon, and you'll be seeing them on my TikTok, maybe some PR packages as well, so that's really exciting. But let's open this. I'm pretty sure this is a package I ordered personally. It's been quite a while since I ordered, so I'm not really sure what I ordered. So this is a shirt. This is an extra large. I'm gonna try it on. I like the fitting a lot. Sometimes when I order extra large on some websites, it's not even extra large. It's like, do you know what I mean? I don't know if you do, but this one fits really well. We also have another shirt. I'm not sure. It's a one piece, but it's two. Does that make sense? It's actually connected, which I thought it would be like separate, but apparently it's connected. So this is what it looks like. It's very nice. I'm personally kind of disappointed how it's not two pieces, but yeah. We have, this is my sponsored product for the month. It is the snail mucin, and I'm planning to post it on my TikTok, so if not already uploaded. Matte lipstick, I think. Oh, my eye cream. My dark circles have been really bad this year, so I decided to get some. So I'm currently walking to the bus stop. I'm gonna go play Valorant. I always play Valorant. Typically I go after school with my friends, but because school's cancelled, I'm playing with only Elliot because he happened to be in the city. So yeah. I'm walking home at the moment and I have pizza. I am currently editing the video and realized I didn't film an outro once again, so here I am to film one. Thanks so much for watching the video. I tried including the most important parts of my days, but obviously there were some days that were boring, and a majority of my activities throughout the week got cancelled because of the flooding that was happening in my city, so I'm quite disappointed that I didn't film any of those. But if you did like this video and you would like to see another week in my life, don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.